Say hello to this machine that changed the world of sweet lovers. Candy Stretching Machine. This incredible device used in candy production stretches, twists and brings the colorful and sticky sugar paste to the perfect consistency like magic. This is not an ordinary machine you see. It is a miracle factory. Pencil manufacturing machine is an incredible technological marvel that enables the flawless production of pencils, which are the indispensable heroes of our daily lives. This machine is not an ordinary production device. It is a noodle master. Each noodle strip is produced in this technological wonder machine, combining both the finesse of traditional handcraft and the power of modern engineering. This machine is not an ordinary production device. It is the perfect combination of precision and speed. Today, billions of bottles are completed with this small but important part that keeps the drink safe. However, the process of making these caps is not as simple as you think. This machine transforms a simple bar of soap into a work of art. The process begins with the preparation of the soap dough, but the magic begins when the machine starts working. The soap dough is loaded into the machine in pre-cut bars, and this is where the magic begins. The special pressing mechanism gives the soap its perfect shape and marks it at the same time. This machine brings the fascinating world of pixels to life. The process starts with the incredibly precise placement of microscopic LED modules. Each LED is just one of millions of pixels, but these parts need to be perfectly aligned. This is where this incredible machine comes in. This machine is an incredible feat of technology, both in terms of speed and precision. The process begins with the eggs being lined up on the production line. Here, the machine's first task is to carefully grasp the eggs and transport them without breaking them. It works as if an invisible hand touches the eggs. Everything starts with the entry of thin and flexible gum strips into the machine. At this stage, the gums advance in millimetric order, like soldiers lined up in a row. And that's when the magic begins. The machine brings the gums together with the paper and starts wrapping them flawlessly. Paper straws, one of the greatest heroes of reducing plastic pollution, have become increasingly more prevalent in our lives. But have you ever wondered how these environmentally friendly products are produced? Here is a technological marvel where you will witness the birth of paper straws. When you look at a piece of clothing or textile, have you ever wondered how those vibrant colors come about? Well, would you like to see how those colors are first processed into threads, not fabric? Meet the hidden artist of the textile industry, thread dyeing machine. Have you ever wondered when you see an album cover or those fancy designs on a software disk, how do these look so vibrant and flawless? Here is a tiny masterpiece of modern printing technology, the compact disc printing machine. It all starts with metal plates being placed under the arms of the machine. These plates may be incredibly durable, but not for this machine. The massive hydraulic pistons generate incredible force, effortlessly cutting through even the hardest surfaces of metal. It starts with the placement of thick and durable metal sheets or bars on the machine's platform. These metals are symbols of strength that are unbreakable and unyielding on their own. However, everything changes under this machine. The press, which works with hydraulic or mechanical systems, applies incredible pressure and crushes, cuts, or shapes the metal, turning it into a perfect product. With incredible power and precision, this machine takes this metal softened by fire and transforms it into a perfect form in seconds. This machine is a true giant in the world of stone processing. It takes the raw blocks of granite extracted from nature and makes them usable by cutting them with complete precision. The first stage of the process begins with the placement of the granite on the conveyor belt. These stones are ready to be processed with the machine's magnificent cutting technology without losing their natural beauty and durability. Dazzling scents hidden in those elegant bottles. Perfumes are both a luxury and a personal signature. However, have you ever thought about how that perfect scent is filled into your bottles? Here is the elegant power of modern technology that manages the finest details of the perfume world. Perfume filling machine. Have you ever wondered how images and designs are engraved on materials? Get ready to witness a technology that creates art wherever it touches surfaces, just like a magic pin. Laser engraving machine. This machine is one of the most powerful tools of modern production and personalized designs. It all starts with loading the raw glass sheets into this huge machine. First stop, the heating section. The glass is heated to 600 to 700 degrees Celsius, which turns it into a soft carpet. But the magic doesn't end there. The glass that comes out of the heat treatment is subjected to a rapid cooling process.